Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put bullet point on the right side in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to put bullet point on the right side. Firstly, go to a blank page. Then go to the tool section, select the frame text tool and click a text frame. Inside the text frame, then write some name. Now I am write some name. Then resize the text box, make small. Then click the move tool. Then press Ctrl on our keyboard, Alt on our keyboard, and copy the same text box. Press Shift on our keyboard. Then resize the text box and press Ctrl A on our keyboard and delete the all text. Then go to the window menu and click the text option, enable the paragraph. Then enable the bullet and numbering option. Then click the type drop down menu and choose bullet point. Then press enter. Firstly, write the full stop. Then press enter. Write the full stop. Then press enter. Then resize the text box. Then move the text box right side on the text. Then select the multiple text box. Press Shift on our keyboard and make it grow. Now we can see we insert bullet point right side very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.